Hello guys, so today I've received the Alphafly version 2, the highly anticipated shoes from Nike for long distance racing. My size is US 9, but we're not gonna wait them today. I just want us to have a look of what's in the box. We have the usual bag, and there they are, the new colorway. Measured in the lab, verified with the medals and records. What a beautiful shoe. So we've got a different upper. I think it's not quite more breathable, but it's more stiff than the old version. The tongue area is different. Also the heel counter is different. It's more robust. The AirPods are different. We have a little bit of air zoom foam beneath them. The foam is more rigid, I believe. Also we have a lot of new cuts, more rubber to protect the foam. That was a problem with the old version. The front foot outsole, it's different. We have these cuts. I think they are to reduce weight, and also that's not so much rubber as in the older version. Inside in the heel area we have more padding than the old version. So I believe that's it for today. I will have some 50 or 50 miles in them to test them on track, on long runs, on easy runs, on intervals, fartlek, hills, and I'll come with a more detailed review. Let's see also the other one, the right one. I can tell from now that it's a really light shoe. I believe the laces are the same. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like the video, and I'll come soon with a review after a few miles. Bye bye.